Who wrote letters, and how did you learn to write letters in the ancient world? Letter writing was taught at the secondary stage of education by a teacher called a grammaticus. Handbooks from antiquity teach writing and give examples of how to write a good letter, and some papyri have been found that show that children must have been practicing letter writing. These are preserved by the dry climate of Oxyrhynchus in Egypt. There we find a letter from a petulant child to his father. "Send to Theon from Theon, his son," the address goes, and inside it reads, "Theon to his father Theon, greetings. It was a fine thing of you not to take me with you to the city. If you won't take me with you to Alexandria, I won't write you a letter or speak to you or say goodbye to you, and if you go to Alexandria, I won't take your hand nor ever greet you again. That is what will happen if you won't take me." Mother said to Archelaus, "It quite upsets him to be left behind. It was good of you to send me presents on the 12th, the day you sailed. Send me a lyre, I implore you. If you don't, I won't eat, I won't drink. There now. Respond, I beg you." And then it has the date. And women were trained to write as well, or they used others to help them write their letters. To give only one example, in a letter from Isias to her husband Hephaestion, she complains about his absence from their family and about the financial hardships. There were professional letter writers in antiquity who served in the government, in wealthy households, and could even help out the illiterate. And that may have been the case of Isias writing to Hephaestion. She writes in her own hand a farewell, but someone else scribed the rest of the letter.